Python is a popular high-level programming language used for a wide range of applications, such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and automation. It was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python has gained popularity in recent years due to its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It has a large and supportive community of developers and users, and a vast ecosystem of libraries and tools for various purposes. Python code is easy to learn and write, and it is known for its clear and concise syntax that emphasizes readability. Python is an interpreted language, meaning that it does not need to be compiled before running. Instead, the interpreter reads and executes the code directly. This makes development and debugging faster and more efficient. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented, functional, and procedural programming. Python is available for various platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and it is open-source software released under the Python Software Foundation license. Python's popularity and versatility make it a valuable skill for developers, data scientists, and many other professionals in various fields.